The corona pandemic has certainly posed a huge challenge for our doctors, our healthcare system, and our patients alike. Or someone who is expecting a baby, or a couple who is planning to start a family, or someone who is taking treatment for infertility. The concerns and questions are many and quite genuine too. However, if we tackle the issue together, scientifically and sensibly, taking due precautions and safety measures, we can all achieve our goals of either an infection-free treatment or becoming parents safely. At Pearl Women's Hospital and Yash IVF, we are committed and geared up to give you a COVID-free environment, including our OPD, our wards, our OT, and our IVF lab. The journey from conception to parenthood is a long one, and therefore special planning and precautions are being taken by us for our infertility patients. Speaking of IVF treatment, or for that matter surrogacy, it gets even more challenging and complicated when we have to take the services of egg donors. But even this challenge has been carefully assessed and addressed by us. The steps we have taken include education of the entire staff and special training to handle all these new challenges posed by the coronavirus pandemic in the hospital as well as at home. Our sanitization protocols for keeping the premises and environment COVID-free are comprehensive and are based on the guidelines issued by the local health authorities and the Indian Council of Medical Research. As a matter of fact, our COVID-19 prevention strategy begins at the initial contact itself. In order to reduce the exposure and traveling of the patients, we have started online consultation facility. This ensures that the patient comes only when required for a physical checkup or a procedure or an ultrasound scan, and for the final consultation before commencement of the treatment. Consultation at the hospital is by appointment only to avoid overcrowding. The patients are sent a video film that explains the precautions that they should take and the protocols that the hospital will be following to keep the patients, their attendants, and the hospital staff free of infection. At the entrance, patient and their attendants undergo a thermal scan to check their temperature. If the temperature is normal, the patient and her attendant goes for a hand sanitization before they enter into the OPD premises. Physical distancing is maintained for sitting and standing within the OPD premises, and the attendants are requested to wait in the foyer outside until the patient is called in for the consultation by the doctors. It is ensured the visitors wear proper masks and wear them correctly. The doctors and the healthcare team wears a prescribed personal protective gear during consultations, procedures, and all interactions with the visitors. The same is discarded as per the protocol laid down by the local health authorities. All surfaces that come in contact with the patient, for example, the sonography couch, is disinfected before and after the contact. General contact areas like the doorknobs and handles, lift panels, seats, etc. are sanitized periodically throughout the day. Patient visits are kept to the bare minimum without compromising on health care. Digital media is utilized to keep in touch. All the staff members undergo thermal scanning and checking for symptoms on a daily basis. We trust that satisfies you, and we look forward to helping you go from wishful to yashful.